Congratulations! You're about to enjoy your new VIZIO Smart TV. This video walks you through the unboxing process for VIZIO TVs 50 inches and below. Before we begin, we recommend having a friend help you through these steps. Let's get started. First, with the box upright, take scissors to cut open the top flap. The first thing you'll see is the Quick Start Guide, accessories, and feet located within the foam. Then remove the TV feet in the accessories bag you'll find in the foam packaging. Your TV comes with 2 TV feet, 2 screws or 4 screws on larger sizes, a power cable attached to the rear of the TV, a full-featured IR remote with batteries, and a quick start guide. Remove the top foam. Lift the TV out of the box, making sure to be careful not to press against the panel. We recommend doing this with 2 people. You'll see the TV is in a protective bag. Remove the TV from the bag. Now gently lay the TV on a clean padded surface. It's a good idea to measure your furniture prior to assembly to make sure it will accommodate the span between the TV's feet. Use the provided screws to attach the feet to the TV. When the feet are secure, have someone help you lift the TV up into position. Hold the TV by the frame as you lift and be sure not to pinch the screen. With your TV in place, plug the power cable into your power source. Put the included batteries in the remote and use the remote to turn the TV on. Now, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to set up your TV. Then you can connect to the internet and begin watching your favorite movies, shows, and videos.